Viewers, welcome to my channel, Yes Bangla Blog. Today we're gonna show you how to repair your hose pipe, like this hose pipe, and it's leaking. Look, there is cut on here, so it was leaking a lot of water here. So what I did, I cut it off, this piece from here. See that it was like this, so I cut it off, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix this hole. So just bear with me, guys. I'm gonna fix this. There's two options I have here. I can put this here, and I can use this packing to fix it, or I can use one of those pipe, put it in here both side, and I can use one of those clamps on here. So this clamp is a little bigger, so I don't want to use this because it's too big for this. I have to buy a smaller one, so I'm gonna use, instead of this one, this is a copper pipe, so I'm gonna use this one and with this. So let's start here. I'm gonna push this in all the way as much as I can. Okay, and I'm gonna push the other side. As you see, this is the way you guys should put it, and then I'm gonna put this clamp. So I'm gonna put like this, one here and one goes here, and I'm gonna put this screw. It comes with the screw, so comes with two screws, so one each side. So I'm gonna put this with my screwdriver. Be patient. I have a flat screwdriver, but if it's that screw is Philip head, so okay, this side is done. Now I'm gonna put the other side. These two more pieces. It goes here, and it goes like this. Hopefully it will work. This is it, and now I'm gonna show you. The water is on and no leaking. Look at this, water is coming, so it's fixed. So no more water coming, and look at this, the joint. So that's it. So if you have something like that, that's 100 feet of hose pipe. So I don't want to throw it. so I just fixed the hose. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.